Hello, it's October 16th and I'm working on the corn sheller today. I took the hopper off first, and what this is, it sets the tension, and so it pushes the corn, the cob of corn against the sheller. That's the sheller there. So as it goes down, it pushes to make sure that those spikes hit the corn, and the corn cob is spinning. They've got this thing where it angles, and as it's coming back this direction, it's spinning the corn so it gets everything off. Now I used my puller I got from Harbor Freight years ago to take the nubber off. It's you can see it's still on there. I'm getting ready to take it apart. I've got this flywheel. It's the only thing I know to call it. Where it's loose, so you can tell it's loose from the shaft. But you know, sometimes little ribs get cut into the shaft and it's not as easy to get it off. It has been highly lubricated, and you can see I put a shine on it with a drill and a brush so there's no rust resistance. I'm guessing this is where that nubber would be anchored down, or maybe you could put a pulley on this side. It just seems that with all of this weight for this flywheel thing, that you would want to put it on the other side for the hand crank, so it doesn't start walking from so much weight being on one side of the sheller. And this is, I find this to be very interesting. This is actually a pulley. A belt rides in this, and I've seen where when it comes down it twists and attaches to this pulley, and that's what runs the fan to get trash, and it's kind of loose. You have to see it's striking the wall of the panel. But what I'm going to do now is take the puller loose and see if I can connect it in there. You know, there's hardly any resistance holding it at this point, but I've been using you know, nail pullers, shingle bar right there to get it loose. And you can see I've had some success getting it about half an inch from this other pulley. But I'm just getting to a place now that I can only get little fractions. I want to see if I can wedge those pullers in there, the pullers there in here somehow, to go ahead and get this past any, you know, scars that's on that shaft. But I'll let you know how that turns out. Hope you're having a good day. Bye-bye.